One here. Well, we have a roof. Look at that. We have a hot rod roof on the sleigh. Yeah, boys. Not bad for a couple of blind old fellas. My old man, come and give me a hand. It's not real curvature on the side here. The curves are a bit out, but the thing is, I can fix the curves. They're not a problem. We can straighten all this out. We can curve that around a lot more. We just put it on next. We weren't quite sure how big to have the curves or anything like that. We've cut it all out around the back, so it all curves around the back. It drives, no dramas at all. Only problem I got is I've got a little bit less traction on the back end. I should have put the batteries on the back, but at the moment they're in the middle, so it isn't too bad. Maybe I'll try and put some other, I might put the light batteries at the back, you never know. I can always add a bit to it, but that come out sweet, boys and girls. I am quite right happy with that. An old dancer here is quite happy. So it looks really, really cool. I'm quite happy with it. As I said, it's just, I've never done any timber work. You guys know that I'm always into the metal work. This is my first attempt at some timber. But that came out really wicked, man. I'm really happy with that. I'll try and do a drive video in the daylight. At the moment it's dark here, so that's why I'm in the workshop or in the carport, same dog. So yeah, it came out really good. I'm going to put lights inside it. I've got some padding for the seat, that's over there. I'll get that sorted out and it'll come out really good. But I'm going to put an escape hatch in the roof up there, so there'll be an escape hatch in there for Cookie. I'll get the mesh for the front of it. Now I know how big I've got to have it, and it should turn out really good. I'm really happy with it. We made the dashboard here curved. I'm going to put some eyelets in there, and I'll put some reins on the reindeer, so it looks like he's actually driving. So yeah, it looks awesome. I'm happy with it. All right, guys and girls, bye for now. Drive safe, play safe, and have fun. Bye.